I'm hyperventilating. This is bittersweet.
I have been shopping at Forever 21 since before I was 21 and long after I was 21. Honestly, I'm really grateful they're still gonna have a website because I don't know if I could afford to live and dress appropriately if Forever 21 didn't exist.
And as our lives change and they close all their stores, come whatever.
Those are the words.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Clevver Style.
You might be wondering why we have these stank faces on right now. Loryn, tell the people.
Forever 21 is closing. They're closing down like a ton of their brick and mortar stores, and yes, we know we can still shop online, but it's not the same.
There's a very specific Forever 21 that we always go to when we make videos, and it's just sad that that store is gonna be closing now.
We're going to Forever 21 and we're gonna buy literally everything. I'm taking a mannequin.
Taking an employee.
That's just kidnapped. But you know what? We can go to Forever 21 for our last video and buy some outfits and try it on and just have like a final goodbye, you know?
Seance. Let's do it. Let's go.
It's a very bittersweet moment because I have been shopping at Forever 21 since before I was 21 and long after I was 21. It's just like cute and affordable and I don't know, look at this. They have a whole section of Christmas puns. I need this, right?
Drew is in heaven. Look at her. How have we been in here for 30 seconds and you already have 3?
So they have like all the Christmas and New Year stuff in the front. I'm not gonna make it to the back of the store. It's like all sparkles. Are you kidding me?
I think it would feel so weird to be in a Forever 21 and like saying goodbye to things because I still remember when the first one opened up like in the burbs of Illinois, and it used to be a place where we would go to get just basics like tank tops, leggings, and really, really cheap jeans. They were like $8. And then it became like pretty much like the only thing I wore exclusively, and now it's leaving. Honestly, I'm really grateful they're still gonna have a website because I don't know if I could afford to live and dress appropriately if Forever 21 didn't exist.
You wanna see the number one? It's like so clueless.
I remember there was one dress in college called a bubble dress. Do you remember the bubble dress styles? I brought that with me when I moved to California. Turns out they don't wear those here. That lasts me a long time, and like, you know, I don't care what anyone says. The stuff I buy from Forever 21 lasts me until I change my mind in a year or two about the types of clothes I like.
I'm not gonna show you guys this one because I am 1000% gonna buy it, and you're going to see it later on in the little try-on reveal. But I'm obsessed. It looked like a chocolate Wednesday Addams.
I think I found the perfect funeral dress to mourn the loss of this Forever 21 store. You know, it says, I'm sad, but I also like to party.
This dress I'm wearing is really cute, and again, I'm gonna save this to show you guys later because I think I'm gonna definitely get it. I'm hyperventilating. This is bittersweet.
Anyway, you guys wanna go try this on or what?
I'm hungry.
All right, we are back from the store. Got
Yep.
some good stuff, lots of sales.
So
How'd
many
you guys
sales.
do?
I was shocked because I was expecting it to be like clearance and everything would be
liquidation?
empty. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was fully stocked.
It definitely wasn't like that. Honestly, like it felt like everything was new arrivals. I was really confused by the whole experience.
Okay, let's go try these on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh!
Cute.
Oh, you guys are so nice. Dude, I love this dress so much.
I love that. Wednesday
Everything.
Addams.
Yes. I really liked this Wednesday Addams inspired look. I saw it and I was like, yep, because I wanted to be here for Halloween and then I didn't get to be, so now I can be here any day of the week.
I love that dress. I think it's so nice. I think
Really
it's like
it.
it's like a dress you can wear all year long because it's short, but it's also like thicker, so it looks like it would be perfect for winter.
Is it like sweater
Summer.
material?
Yeah.
Get in there,
But
girl.
it's not like
Oh,
It's not like too thick.
Right?
Like, it's still, I don't know. I think this is so me
love
too.
it.
I think it's like so chic.
It's like sexy, but a little studious.
Right?
Like you just came from the library.
It makes me want to get like those ruffle socks with like Mary Jane
Yes,
heels
yes.
and have a pencil in my mouth,
Yes.
you know?
So I got this top, these earrings, and I got this giant scrunchie mostly because I thought it was hilarious. And we all
it.
saw it and we were like,
You should try to put it around your whole head and wear it as a
Look like
necklace.
a sunflower.
Yeah.
Oh, just put it on your face.
Oh,
just
just
right
around
here.
your face. That
no.
would be
I'm in desperate need of like new tops because I have so many like t-shirts and hoodies. Like I'm like the queen of that. So I was like, I need to get some like nicer, like
This
girlier.
is like, different for you.
I know.
It is different
But,
for
but
you.
it's black, so it is still
black.
very Sinead. Your
That's
earrings
right.
are really cute too.
I love the earrings.
Thank you.
Those are nice.
But those are cute.
Yeah.
You
I
want to
like
touch the
it.
other one?
Oh, sure, yeah. We rubbing it for good luck.
We touch it at the same time.
Okay, yeah, let's go. I don't feel like I own like any pink, and
I
so
don't know
this
if you
was
own a lot
like
of pink.
a light pink that I really liked, and I love a good turtleneck right now, and it's a bodysuit.
Ooh.
Oh, cute.
So it's like real tucked in.
I think you should wear pink more
Yeah,
often.
it is.
It's like it's nice. It's not like an obnoxious pink, which sometimes is fun. But
Is it comfortable?
this is really comfortable.
'Cause it
for
looks
a
really
bodysuit.
soft.
It's like
Yeah.
pretty loose, very soft.
And it's so feminine because I like how the material changes, the pattern.
And then I got this little like cute little headband and these earrings. I love Forever 21's like chunky earrings. I do feel like their jewelry kind of does rust and you can't get a lot of wear out of it, but their earrings last way longer for whatever reason, maybe because it's less metal getting oxidized. Wow, I sound like I know what
That
I'm
was
talking about.
really
Do
smart
so, I
of you.
believe
Wow.
you. But should we go try on more cute outfits?
Yes,
Okay.
let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Ah.
Wow, you guys really did it up.
You guys did
And
it.
your
I
neck
like
did it
this.
up. You're sparkly.
Like, as you can see, like, I'm such a t-shirt person. Like, I don't buy dresses. It's just not my thing. So I always, like, try to do things different with, like, my jewelry and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I was
To,
so
like, spice it
obsessed
up,
with
you
it.
It's
mean?
really cute. It is girly.
I act like
you
this
don't
is
go for
so
girly
this is so
things.
daring. It's just like a pink choker,
But
but
it's cute.
I think
love
it's
it.
daring.
Yeah.
It's pink and it's like it is very girly because it's pink.
Right. that's
and
what
also
I'm
there are
saying.
pearls on my t-shirt. Like, who would have ever thought?
Oh my god, are you going to a sorority later? Like, how's your trust fund?
Right?
I didn't go to college, so I
Stop
don't really
rubbing
understand
yourself.
these jokes.
We're gonna get demonetized, Sinead.
I wasn't rubbing my nipples, I was rubbing the pearls. Not my fault that the pearls just fell exactly
They
on
look
my
like
nipples.
nipples.
But enough about me. Tell me about your guys' dresses, because they're really cute.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
I love yours.
went for the sparkly number. Excuse the bra, because it's not the bra I would wear with it, so I'm sorry if it's showing. But I just love sparkles, and there's a dress at House CB that I really want that's all black and it has rhinestones lining it. It's a sweetheart neckline, and I can't afford that right now, so I'm like, this is a perfect
I
alternative.
love this. This is so
How
nice.
much was this? 200?
No, this was like $23.
Crazy.
And I like that the sparkles go all the way around, because usually that's a thing that like
Wow.
stop on the front and that's all you get.
Yes.
But I didn't realize in the dressing room that this is like very tight. This
Constricting?
part.
Oh.
So like walking is
Like the
limited.
band?
Mhm. But other than that, I really like it.
Yeah, I don't know. This is like a sparkly little turtleneck dress.
I love it.
I
It
love
was
it.
the only size of the size that I wanted that didn't need me to go get a person to get it down. So it has a lot of like pilling, but I don't care.
It's because it's glittery, you can't really tell that there's like little threads, you know?
Yeah, it's good.
Especially under these lights. But I actually really like it, and I
do
love
too.
the mock neck,
Oh, mock,
man.
yeah.
Is it a hair tie from?
Oh yeah, I
So
found this
cute.
little sequin
Crunchy.
scrunchie.
Yeah, that's cute.
And I didn't think I would wear it with this dress, but you inspired me with your big ass scrunchie.
Okay, so should we try out more? Because we got more.
Yeah,
All
let's
right,
do
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we look like we're all going out.
I missed
I like
the
it.
pink memo, pink satin memo.
Wow, this is so pretty. This looks like your
Oh my
your
God.
Rihanna dress from when
Thanks.
we recreated It's Alive Instagram. Show the back.
Looks like you want to see my
Show the
shirt.
back. I like that a lot.
When I got it, I wanted it to be like Paris Hilton vibes, like how she wore like slinky stuff. But I feel like it's gonna be Paris Hilton. It has to be like cut like here.
Yeah.
You know?
It's because your torso is so long and beautiful.
It sounds crazy, but it's too much skin covered for what I wanted it to be.
It doesn't sound crazy coming out of your mouth.
It doesn't. It's like fits really nicely here. It's just
Yeah.
like too much fabric here.
It
Yeah.
does look like too big around
Like
your
it's
boobs.
supposed to be droopy, but I think like it helps when you like are flat. So it just looks
Okay.
like it's a droopy dress.
Yeah, I get
Well,
you.
it's good to know. Maybe I should go get that
Yeah,
dress.
I get
But I do like the
No,
back.
I actually really like it a lot. You kind of look like you're about to do like hairspray.
I was.
Yeah,
Were
like
you?
there was some showgirl stuff happening. You were
Welcome to
with
the
a cane.
60s. Okay, so I don't really like this that much. Not gonna lie. I like these two pieces separately. I don't like them together at all. But none of the clothing that I picked up today went well with each other because I didn't get any like dresses. It's all like tops or bottoms. So I had to put these together to really show it off. But I really like the mustard yellow. It's like one of my favorite colors to wear in the wintertime. And I like the satin skirt, but if it were like the way I was gonna dress it up, I'd probably wear it with like some sort of crop top and like a black jacket or like an oversized jacket or something, just cause this feels really girly for me. It feels so weird.
Like I'm about to like lift you and dirty it.
Well, you said I looked like a ballerina, and then I was like, oh, I need to change.
I didn't know that was an insult when I
You're like
said
center stage. I was like,
People love center stage.
I love that movie. I love that movie. I love it.
Drew's like, man, you look good, girl. You look good. All right, guys. Hey, guys.
So yeah, so I was like, okay, I'll just put these on to show them together, but
It's weird because they do go together.
I also tried to get a bunch of colors this time because like I never buy any colors. I've been trying to get better at it. It's just like when I look at this, I'm like, I'm missing a lot of black in this outfit.
Where's Sinead?
Who am I?
Who am I?
Forever 21 is killing it with skirts. Lately, they just have so many different patterns. They have so many different cuts. This material was in all over the store.
It's
there was
true.
a dress, there was a shirt, there
There were pants. I saw like
the
headbands. They
Yeah.
had like 2 pieces.
Yeah.
I love when that happens. I like this little flouncy skirt. It feels kind of New Year's, but it feels holiday, but you can wear it outside of the holiday, which I like. And then I got this bodysuit. I'm really into hearts in a non-girly way.
I agree.
Like I don't want to wear pink
Yeah.
hearts, but I feel like black hearts is cool.
It's like
Yeah.
sexy. I thought you already owned the bodysuit for some reason.
No, I like this.
It's like very you.
Oh, good, yeah. I think I
Yeah.
have a dress that looks similar, but it was like polka dot. So yeah, and I can wear this bodysuit with like jeans or any skirt, really.
Yeah.
And red. I don't know, scrunchy.
I love
And I got earrings.
I don't know. It's great. All right, you guys. I feel like a freaking popsicle. We need to change. Can we please change? Let's put our favorites on. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Yay!
yeah, okay. I think that was my favorite.
I'm not
too.
wearing anything.
I was gonna say you didn't wear that.
No, I found this at the bottom of my bag. I forgot about it, and honestly, it's my favorite because it's just a t-shirt and it makes me feel very comfortable.
But it's so you.
It's so cute.
It's
too.
so me. Anyways, you guys, I think we did a really good job saying goodbye to Forever 21 today.
Man, I forgot we were doing something sad.
Me
I'm
too.
so happy in my new clothes.
We're obviously sad Forever 21 is closing all their stores, but you know what? We did pretty good. We got really cute clothes.
Yeah, I feel good about it.
This is a good way to say goodbye for sure.
It will still be available online.
That's true.
And it's not all
other
their stores.
places.
No.
Yeah.
But it's just our one, so it is still sad. But if we can find any of the items that we picked on their website, then we're definitely gonna put all those links down in the description box.
Guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. What else should
Hit
they
the
do?
bell, and then just be back here really soon, all right?
Be back here. On we remember all the times we
You and me, Forever 21.
had together.
Why are you laughing at me, sound guy?
And
as our lives change and they close all their stores,
come whatever. Those are the words, Karen.
I don't know.
We will still
Shop
be
At
friends forever. La 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 la.
I don't know what's going on anymore, but I don't think. Oh gosh.
Oh man, that was fun. But you guys, there's even more fun where that came from if you click right on over here.
And then hit the subscribe button, which is right over here for you
Click
to
it.
hit.
What would you do without us pointing?